How to backup / clone your hard drive. First, you'll need housing, or one of these if you've got a SATA device, or one of these if you've got an M.2 device. Now, the first thing you have to do is download a piece of software called Mini Partition Wizard, version 10.2. I'll leave a description in the link. So once you've downloaded it, make sure your drives are connected, and fire up the software. It may take a few minutes to load, but that is totally normal. Now, what you do, you click where it says Mini Partition Wizard Free. Click on this and it goes off and scans your hard drive. Now what you do, you click on your boot drive or whichever drive you want to clone. So for instance, my boot drive is this one here. This has got my Windows on. So I'll click on that. Click on copy disk, and then select where I want to clone it to. So in this case, it's this one. Yeah. Now you just click next, right, and it comes up with this. You leave that ticked, so you've got the entire rest of your hard drive available. Click next, click finish, and then you go up to apply. It says you want to do this. Yep, you do. So you click on yes. Now this pops up restart now. So you click yes, restart now, and your computer will restart. As you can see now, the process has started, but it does take a while. For instance, I've got about 300 gigabytes on my drive, so I'm looking at about 2 hours. So I'll pause this and we'll come back when it's finished. So what happens now is it goes through and does verify the boot sector, and then it will restart, and then that's it. Your drive's cloned.